Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, we've got a bunch of reactions and we need to write the product of them. So the first one, we've got this carboxylic acid and we're reacting it with isopropanol, okay, in the presence of acid and heat. Okay, so essentially what's going to happen is we're going to get protonation here. This isn't really the mechanism, but just the idea. And when we get protonation here, we get a partially positively charged carbon there, electrophilic carbon, which will be attacked by this oxygen. That'll go up on there. Eventually, there'll be this sort of tetrahedral intermediate and elimination. Long story short is we will replace that OH with this OH, right? And then the hydrogen will get abstracted. So we're essentially replacing that H with that group there. Okay. So we'll go from having a carboxylic acid to an ester, like so. So that's the product. Okay, now we're going to take that same carboxylic acid and we're going to react it with thionyl chloride. Okay, and if you weren't aware, thionyl chloride basically just turns carboxylic acids into acid chlorides. Like so. That's all they do. It's just a way of generating acid chlorides, which are more reactive. Okay, and we're going to keep seeing this theme again and again because next we've got an amine. Okay, same idea. We're going to turn this from being a carboxylic acid into an amide, right? We're going to lose one of these hydrogens. We're going to lose the OH. We're going to plug our N in here, right? Like so. Okay, so the net product when we're done is like so. Okay. Next, we have got a methyl ester. Okay. Methyl ester, and we're looking at sodium hydroxide and heat. Yeah, sodium hydroxide and heat, followed by acid. Okay. Same idea here. We're replacing the methyl ester, this time with an OH. So this is going to convert an ester back into a carboxylic acid. Like so. Okay, and finally we have an amide. And we're going to hydrolyze the amide. Right, water. And once again, same idea. We're going to go from having an amide to a carboxylic acid, right? So many of these reactions are essentially just, all of this stays the same, and we just replace what we have here with something from up there.